Good morning students. We will be continuing with our next lecture on electric field lines. We are discussing the electric field lines. So in the last concept we have discussed they behave as stress springs. So this will explain the force of attraction between positive and negative charges. Means this will apply force in this direction, this will apply force in this direction. Try to return to its normal position. So behave as stress spring. So there will be an attraction force between these two charges. Next property is suppose you have placed a positive charge here, positive charge here. Electric field lines will move from this charge and move from this charge. So what will happen? Suppose you have placed a positive charge here and a positive charge here. If it was positive and negative charge, they will move like this. You know, they will start at 90. What they will do? Suppose they have started. Suppose they have started from this 90, making 90. They will move like this, and here it will move like this. This line want to attain this direction. It want to become a means like curve. It want to become a curve. This line also want to become a curve like this. So what will do? This electric field line will apply force on this line in this direction. So this line will apply force on this line in this direction at 90 degree. And when this line is applying force, this charge will be pulled in this direction. And when this line is applying force on this charge, this will be pulled in this direction. So there will be repulsion between two positive charges. So what is this force? It is a lateral force. Lateral means perpendicular. So lateral force is acting between two field lines of same nature. Means force 1 will take positive charge to backward direction and this will take charge to this backward side. Same way force 2 will take positive charge to backward direction. So the property is the lines laterally repel each other. How they repel each other? Perpendicular to the line. This explains repulsion between two charges, two same nature charges. So the lines, they are laterally repelling each other. How they are repelling? Perpendicular to the line. How they are repelling? Perpendicular to the line, 90 degree angle. And this is explaining the repulsion between two same nature charges. So this is our 8th property of electric field lines. So this line is repelling this. How? Laterally means perpendicular to the direction of line. So this is the direction of line, the force is acting perpendicular 90 degree. This is means literally perpendicular to the line. So you know the means electric field lines, they start from the positive, they move outward from the positive charge and they move towards the negative charge. So this is first line, this is second line, this is as the distance from charge increases, the distance between two electric field lines, it also goes on increasing. D1 is less and D2 will be more, go on increasing. That means the strength of electric field lines, it decreases when we move away from the charge. So what we will do now, we will do this next topic is we will now discuss the electric field due to different distribution. Suppose you are having a positive charge. What it will do? One electric field line will go in this direction. It will go in this direction. It will go in this direction. This also. This also. This direction also. This direction also. And this direction also. It is just acting as a means the charge is just like the charge is placed at the center. So what we are saying, the electric field is radial outward, means outward, means all the electric field lines, they are acting as the radius and the charge is placed at the center. And if it is a negative charge, it will be radial inward, sorry, radial inward, like this. So the electric field distribution of a positive charge is radial outward and electric field distribution of a negative charge is radial inward. Next distribution is if you are having a line charge. Suppose you are having a line charge. What do you mean by a line charge? It is having the charges on its surface like this. Means electric field lines will be due to this point charge, 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 like this, like this, like this. Means again it's a point charge, na? And point charges will behave like this. Means it will form like this concept. And due to this also the same concept is going to take place like this. Yes, so like this field line and this field line, this field line, मान लो this is 1, this is 2, it will repel this field line and this field line will repel this line. And this field line will repel. Means 3 will repel 2 in up and 1 will repel 2 in down. So 2 will follow the straight pattern. 2 will follow the straight pattern because it is repelled by this also, like in this direction, and this is repelled in this direction. So it only option mean for this line is to move in straight. So it will move in straight direction. It will means face the repulsion of this line also, it will face the repulsion of this line also. So distribution will be like this. So the pattern is like this. So at end this will follow this. So this will move in this direction. This will move, means the charge that is present at the end of a line, it will move not in a straight, means curling will take place at the corners of a line charge like this. Not here, it will be here like this. It will be like, means here also curling will take place. Straight means the lines in the center, they will go straight, but the last lines, they are bending. Why they are bending? Because at corners curling will take place like this. So this is the electric field distribution of a line charge. So next concept is electric charge distribution of a sphere. Suppose we are having a sphere and it is positive charge. You know that the positive charge will be present at the surface. Means electric field line will move in this direction, in this direction, in this direction, in this direction. Inside the sphere electric field will be 0. Why it is 0? Because suppose it is like this, means this effect will cancel this effect, so electric field inside the sphere will be 0. So suppose charge is present on the sphere, charge reach to surface due to repulsion, it will be radial outward, inside is 0. So behavior of sphere is just like a point charge, just like a point charge, a big point charge. suppose we are having a plane surface. What does means plane surface? Suppose we are having a wall and we have charged it. This is a plane surface. All the charges, they will reach to the surface of this plane charge. This charge will distribute. Charges, they will settle themselves in such a way that the net force on each charge is zero. Means this will have its stable position, it will not move, and the net force due to this charge and due to this charge will be zero. So it will means remain at this position. Suppose you have placed a plane surface at this and you have placed a plane surface at this. You have given this plane surface as positive charge and this plane surface as negative charge. So the electric field lines from positive charge move toward the negative charge like this. That means they will be at equal distance, and the strength of electric field at A position, at B position, and at C position will be same. So it is a uniform electric field. Means uniform electric field lines will get generated. But at the corners curling will take place like this. So lines will be parallel, equidistance, force everywhere at A position, B position, C will be same, electric field will be same, uniform electric field, same direction. Uniform means same direction and same strength. When the light is coming from the sun to the earth, it always come in parallel direction. And if this is a charge, suppose means the electric field lines are reaching to very far away place, they will always be parallel. Means we will get a uniform electric field. This is a NaCl molecule, Na positive, Cl negative. Positive to negative, like this will be concept of like this. Na positive, suppose this, and Cl negative. It will move like this. Like this, positive outward and negative inward like this. And here is a positive charge, they will have lateral inversion, lateral repulsion electric field inside the positive charges. Here it will be 0. So these are the two charges of opposite nature. This is the means distribution of electric field lines of when we are having two charges of opposite nature. So this is crowding concept.